Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about batch leads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change a lead status in your batch leads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the lead status in batch leads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale business or a real estate investment business, you know that it's good to change the disposition on your leads so that way your employees can focus on the more important leads. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your batch leads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my batch leads, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to change the disposition or the lead status, here on the left side, you're going to click on this button here. It looks like a house with a paper behind it. Once you're going to see all the leads that you have inside of batch leads. Now, in order to change the lead status, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is next to the property name, you're going to see this little house. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you can go ahead and change the lead status. So let's say this one has an appointment. We'll just click on there. Okay, now you can see that lead has been updated. Now, if you're going to change a whole swath of leads, you can go ahead and just choose the ones you want to update. So for this video, we'll do this and this one. Once you do up here on the top right, you're going to see this button here, actions. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down and click on this button here, lead status. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the status for those. So we'll put those on cold and then go ahead and click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the lead status has been changed. And the last way that you can change the lead status is if you're inside the property information. So let me open this one up. Okay, so here is the property detail. Up here on the top right, you're going to see the current disposition. You can see it's cold. Just click on there. And then once again, you can go ahead and choose the lead status. So go ahead and click on make offer. Okay, now you can see the lead status has been changed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change or update a lead status in your batch leads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.